Hello viewers, welcome to our online interview series. Today in the online interview series, we have an extravagant performer. He is popularly known as Arun the Mentalist. He's an international award winner and he's a corporate entertainer, and most importantly, he's also India's Got Talent performer, and he has recently received Vikatan Nambike Awards for his excellence in his field. Well, he's on great demand for many corporates like Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Cognizant, Siemens, and so on and so forth. I'm really proud in interviewing him today and to have us in this series of interview. Thank you very much, Arun the Mentalist, for joining us, and we welcome you to this wonderful interview series. So let's go ahead in starting the interview. So hi Arun, how are you?
Hi Nandini, I'm good. How are you?
I'm really great. Thank you very much. So it's really nice to see you during the lockdown, at least through this interview. So thank you very much for coming here and participating in this. We are much overwhelmed and honored. Thank you for your presence.
No, it's my pleasure and glad to be in this interview series. Thanks to you guys.
Thank you very much. Well, to start off, I would like to ask about your, qualification and your career, and just talk about yourself. Out of your heart.
If I have to say about my educational qualification, I'm an MBA graduate, but I didn't pursue my career in that field. But professional qualification, if you ask me, like I used to be a magician before, and I transformed it to be a mentalist now. So I'm completely doing this mentalism shows right now, doing virtual shows. So this is like for the past 20 years I've been doing this. For 20 years I've been entertaining different kinds of the audience.
So that's great. Okay. So what is one thing that you would like to, talk about your field, the mentalism, or about, the complete magician, whatever it is that you would like to specify to the audience? What is so special about this?
All right, so if you ask me about the difference between magic and mentalism, I can say like magic is all about a virtual thing, like something appear and something disappear. So when I say mentalism is all about the magic happens in their mind, like reading their mind, like analyzing their behavior, so playing with their emotions, like playing with their human psychology and all. So there is a lot of difference between magic and mentalism. And mentalism, which actually suits me because like basically I'm like a fun-loving guy. So I would love to connect with many people, and this helps me to get into the people emotions, get into their mind, and able to understand them much better. So that's why I like to do mentalism much better than magic.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, okay. So during this lockdown, what have you been doing? Probably this is a very important question for the audience to know, because performers like you and me, we are completely locked up at home. And what have you been doing during this lockdown?
I personally myself enjoying this lockdown period. I don't know if I can say this by myself, but I was the one first introduced this concept of e-mentalism. It's like virtual shows, right? March 24th was a date lockdown was announced, and March 21st was my first show. Right, so I initiated this concept of virtual shows, like taking the art form direct to their home. So I'm just enjoying this lockdown. I'm doing multiple shows for corporates. I'm doing a lot of ticketed shows online. So I'm taking classes. So I'm just using this opportunity.
Wow, that's really nice. So you've been the pioneer for doing this e-mentalism shows, right? That's really nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So what would you like to, offer the people during this lockdown? Because you have already told that, you've been doing this. So it is going to be a cake walk for you. And in case if you want to, do something more for the people, and as you said, you want to directly, visit them home through these virtual mediums, then what is that you're going to do during this lockdown, probably post lockdown, or also maybe during this lockdown after this?
All right. Apart from the virtual shows, like I do take online classes, like magic classes. So it's like a basic magic teaching or training, I would say. It's not for just for the kids. I do take classes for adults as well. It's something like it's not going to be like a normal kind of a magic. IT people are like working. I mean, like I heard it from my friend. Like they are working like extra hours, like when they are doing the work from home. Probably like 8 hours to 12 hours, maybe 14 hours. I don't know. So the stress level is like bit high for everyone. If you're at home, right? So you have to manage. I mean, like homework as well as the office work. So the stress level is a little bit high for the children as well as for the adults. So with my magic, I get into that head, and I kind of release the pressure from. I mean, like release the pressure and release the stress level in them. So I kind of connect magic with psychology, and I take classes accordingly.
All right, that's really informative. Thank you very much. And finally, I want to ask you a question. Since I've been following you, you do some predictions, right? And what is that? And could you please explain us about those predictions?
Yeah, prediction is just a part of a mentalism subject, and I don't know. Like of late, I've been receiving some like weird dreams and all, and sometimes I predict the results of cricket matches and football matches and all. I did predict IPL and FIFA World Cup. And recently, I predicted something related with this scenario like COVID-19. I don't know, like fact what or what dream of, right? So that's what I believe. Like a universe kind of give you an information or kind of give you an maybe hint to analyze the future, or I mean, I don't know, like how this dream or how this thing came to my mind. But I love to do this kind of a predictions.
That's really very interesting because like it was quite new when I saw that. Okay, the first time, or maybe I should ask this question: is this very common in people like you, like people like mentalists? Is that like very common that they can predict things because they are getting those signals or
Yeah,
whatever you suggest? Is
I'm
that
just
so?
like prediction is just a part of mentalism. Like we have telepathy, we have clairvoyance. Like there are multiple of subjects in this mentalism. The whole concept. And prediction is just a part. Of course, like many mentalists have tried the prediction act before, but not to the extent. Like some people can go to the extent where they can claim to predict anything, not just sports or not just in a particular event. Like they can even predict anything. Just like me, I've predicted not only in the sports, I've even predicted census market. I've even predicted like COVID scenarios now. So of course, like I mean, I prefer to be an entertainer. I don't want to portray myself into an astrologer, or like I don't want to claim myself as to be a supernatural or nothing like that. So if there is something which I possess in myself, I just wanted to project it in an entertainment way. So that's what I believe. That's what I do.
All right, that's really nice. Thank you very much, Arun. And I think, the interview is almost done. So anything that you would like to share to the audience, who is going to come and, watch your live shows, or in case like, recorded shows, whatever it may be. But during this lockdown, since we are all going virtual, so what would you like to say then?
If they want to experience something different apart from regular kind of an entertainment, they can give me a call, they can give me a buzz, because like mentalism is like which makes people think, which makes people ease their stress. So definitely it's a different kind of an entertainment, I would say. So please do reach me out, and you can go through my other videos through YouTube, or Google it. You'll get to know about me. So definitely this will help you out in a different level of mindset. So just do reach me. And of course, I do take it before. So if you want to learn something, you can also reach me.
All right. Thank you very much, Arun. Audience, you might have heard him saying that, it's a stress buster, and also you will get a lot of, amazing moments where you will be dumbstruck and awestruck because I've experienced personally watching his shows. So thank you very much, Arun, for being here with us. And well, audience, you can just contact us with the contact information given below this video. So thank you very much. This is MC Nandini Aravindan signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini.